demonstrate you the TOS-2 Flamethrower system. Flamethrower systems are effective fire support weapons. They are capable of engaging a wide range of targets on the battlefield during both offensive and defensive operations. The TOS-2 Flamethrower system is designed to engage enemy manpower in the open and in field fortifications and destroy light armored vehicles and various engineering installations and constructions. High effectiveness of ammunition, low salvo time, and high combat readiness are on the list of the system's main features. The TOS-2 can also be effectively operated in artillery barrage mode. The combat vehicle of the TOS-2 Flamethrower system is mounted on a 6x6 all-terrain truck. This carrier provides high maneuverability and increased deployment speed. The vehicle is also fitted with rear-mounted outrigger jacks, which improve stability of the combat vehicle during firing. The TOS-2 combat vehicle carries 18 rear-mounted launch tubes. The system fires 3 types of 220mm ammunition, namely unguided rockets with thermobaric warheads, unguided rockets of extended range and enhanced effectiveness, and extended range unguided rockets with multi-effect warheads. High temperature and overpressure are the main lethal effects of the multi-effect ammunition. It should be mentioned that the TOS-2 Flamethrower system features high mobility. The system can be rapidly redeployed to serve the most dangerous areas on the battlefield, for instance, to thwart enemy breakthrough attempts. The system's all-terrain carrier also reduces the signature of the TOS-2 system during transportation or redeployment. Dear visitors of Rosoboron Experts Media channel, we have demonstrated you the TOS-2 Flamethrower system. Stay tuned, and we will show you other cutting-edge Russian-designed systems.